Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Got a surprise for y'all, man. Me and Q, we on the way to go pick up one of my vehicles, so stay tuned. Like, I feel weird as hell. Like, it's been so long since I had the motherfucker that it's like, shit. Yeah, that shit. Am I doing that?
No, nigga.
Oh, I was about to say, like, how the fuck kinda. Yeah, bro. But that shit feel weird as a bitch, though, bro. Like, I'm about to get one of my whips back, yo. And it's like, you ain't had that shit. Like, I think that's like, probably like, one of the best feelings, though, like when you get some mods done or you get some you get some work done to your shit, you like, yeah, I want to see how that shit came out. Yeah, let's go. It's been so long since I seen my baby.
God damn! Thanks, noob. This guy gets it.
I want y'all to say hello to Big Bertha, man. I'm just at the shop right now, but oh yeah, we done did a couple different things with her now. But when I get back to the crib, I'm gonna go and detail all of the stuff that I got done to her. Oh yeah. So I'll be right back.
You're fucking with a real one. I got a badass chick, had to show her how it is just to feel one. And now she knows she got a real one. Trying to make a dollar bill, watching for the bars of steel, trying to build something. Right now I'm trying to flip something. Yeah, you fucking with a real up on my grind, trying to make a million. I just trying to make a million, bitch. I been a real one, never phony, and I hate a snitch. I'm sorry if I may offend you, but see in my city, plenty niggas like to play pretend. And I don't play no game with cheering, bitch. I'm all pro when I kick it, nigga, take the bench. Nah, I don't think that you a real one, ain't no need for faking it, my nigga. Hey, we know you a mark. Flexing so overrated, being you is an art. You stunting for them ladies to be seen as a star, but when you take away you lay she gon' see who you are. Old line ass, on this money where my mind at. Look, my bitch got a body like a wine glass, and she say she can't wait to see my fine ass. Dope. My only interest is my digit flow and pop about my spinach, Mr. Wimpy, happy being broke. You Bluto to these women with your pockets thin as olive oil. The motto is let's get this dope. Then split the profits with my partner's product, hot as the hibachi grilling lobster when I hit the coast. Bitch, I'm certified by it. If you haven't heard about me, I'm a real one. I got a badass chick, had to show her how it is just to feel one. And now she knows she got a real one. Trying to make a dollar bill, watching for the bars of steel, trying to build something.
Money, I got you, bro.
Right now I'm trying to flip something. Hey, you fucking with a real. And you know I'm J. Seal. My name ain't Davis, she letting me cop a feel. Get her in the back and kill it like the coppers will. If she asks about the bricks, just tell her you tryna build. A man with no hustle ain't bringing about no meals. We all got a cup, but we all got different spills. Ain't no loyalty in these streets, so they stopping the plugs. From serving real niggas, they ain't showing us love. Ain't no TLCs in me, cause I ain't fucking with drugs.
So I finally got my truck back, Big Bertha.
What you think? About what? Whew. This you? Yes, sir.
Hey man, what can I say? She dirty as hell, man. I just want to give y'all a little quick glimpse of what I got going on, man. Then I'm probably gonna hit the car wash tomorrow morning with a couple of the homies, and then give y'all some dope cinematic scenes. This is her, man. Like I said, I'll definitely give y'all an overview, but y'all see it, man. We ain't playing no games. Come on.
Purchase your tracks today. Max Pain Shop.
We here. They got me feeling like I can't lose. They got me feeling like I can't lose. We here. Look how I kill 'em when I came through. I'm the man and the thing that I can't do. We here. They got me feeling like I can't lose. They got me feeling like I can't lose. We here. They got me feeling like I can't lose. Can't lose, can't lose, can't lose. Off top, we all up in the spot. Divine go live like some scissors in the socket. Shocking, especially considering the options. Came without opinion just to land up in my pockets. Profits, it's all about the profits. Raised in the projects where them killers like to frolic. Identical to niggas that I'm out with. Ready when I'm ready, watch the shooter, trust the process. And we don't fool up with the nonsense. About the business, we just suit up and we run shit. Got a city on my side like an armpit. Boy, I'm colder than my shoulder in the Arctic. I promise you don't know what you done started. Look at how I whip it when I park it. I see more rainy days than a park bitch. Now my trunk knocking like it's locked at the apartment. They got me feeling like I can't lose. They got me feeling like I can't lose.
1 hour later.
So YouTube, yeah, I am sitting on the side of the road, and basically just got Big Bertha back, and then, you know what I'm saying, just doing a little stunt, living, feeling good about the truck. Boom! Fucking drive shaft slip out, yo. But hey man, I'm gonna give y'all the real deal experience on this channel, yo. I mean, it is what it is, yo. It's just part of the fucking car game. So, you know what I'm saying? Call the mechanic, man. We get this shit towed over there, man. We're gonna try to put either I'm gonna get a longer drive shaft, or we're gonna put an extension on it. So, because my lift is so high that, you know what I'm saying, obviously this is made for stock ride height, not 12.5 inches. So, like I said, man, I definitely want to take y'all on a journey, man, with all my vehicles, man, because, like, I'll be the first to tell you, man, like, trying to put cars together, you know what I'm saying, doing stuff on a budget, doing, you know what I'm saying, like, it can get difficult, you know what I'm saying, but I'm here, you know what I'm saying, I want to create this channel to show y'all, man, like, it's still possible, man, regardless of all the trials and tribulations that you go through with your vehicles. And I know y'all people can relate to me about this stuff, man. Like, you know what I'm saying, like, you'll get something done and then the next thing go wrong, you know what I'm saying, like shit, I ain't got 80,000 to drop into my truck right now to, you know what I'm saying, make it a SEMA build, and that's low end anyways. Like, I'm pretty sure niggas spend way more than that on a SEMA build. But I definitely want y'all to stick around for the ride, man. Actually, we're not riding, but I want y'all to stick around for the process, man, and see, like, in real life, like, shit happens all the fucking time, yo. All the time to your cars, yo. And like I said, I want to be here so y'all won't get discouraged and you be like, damn, yo, I literally just spent thousands of dollars to do like all the powder coating and all the, you know what I'm saying, like just work on the car, yo, and then to get it back and then the same day that shit fucking go down, yo, you get discouraged, man. But like I said, I want to be here to be able to let y'all know, like, hey man, y'all ain't the only ones that's going through it, man. Like, I'll tell you right now, yo, I probably will never get rid of this truck. Never get rid of this truck. Simply because I fucking put so much money into it. Like, I put so much money into it that I won't even get back a quarter of what I put in. You know what I'm saying? So like, that's what I'm saying, man. You don't even do it about the money. You do it for the love of it, though. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the love for the car game, for the truck game, it's all about the culture, yo. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I want to be able to share with y'all, man. Is that real culture. That drive shaft gone out that bitch. My man said she looked pretty though, right? She looked pretty. Yeah. She looked good. But she broke. She looked good on the back of my truck. Yeah, man. It's all good, and it's all good, man. She'll be fixed and back on the road. Probably broke again, but it's all part of the game. Well, back to the shop again she goes. Definitely gonna have to get a new one of those. Damn, that shit fucked up my exhaust and everything.